Hi,
Ah.
I'm Claude Evangelista. First, we're gonna have a story about the Family Guy. But before anything else, Maria, brother, please share something about yourself and what you think about this book. You never read that book. Well, let me tell you a book about a family date. I begin. I must say, I fully realize each generation
Yes, grade naman eh,
before
diba?
tends to believe that the level of corruption, immorality, and the smut of the younger
He
generation
does not know how
is
to
worse
pronounce.
than it has over been. This
Yes, grade
chapter
naman.
talks about
Nga dapat
talks about a family guy. As you can see,
TV show.
this is him.
Yeah, just watch the
This
TV.
him.
That's the baby, you dog.
No.
Well, people say
I read
that's
that
the
already.
baby. But let me
This is
say
the dad.
something.
This is the dad.
It's boring.
Wait,
There's no way
this is the
that
dad.
again.
This is
There is
baby.
no way that you can beat Maria Geralda in soccer because she is the ball and she is the feet
Tama ni,
of
tama
the
ni,
game.
tama